Hello friends, this is Srikanth and today in this video let's not waste any more time and waste those pixels around the corners and make it curvier. Just go and watch it.
Anything means forever, ever, or never mind.
It is pretty simple guys. It is the single app or any app in the Play Store. My recommendation is rounded corners. Just install the app and turn it on. And that's it. You got this cute little rounders that is hiked up and tempted you by seeing lot of devices. Even the budget devices like Redmi 5 come with rounded corners. And just we have emulated it. It does work on every application that you run on your mobile phone. On every time you run it, it just works guys. It just start even in fraction of second after booting of your device. And not just that, it packs in lot of features. You can adjust the size of the corners that is to be rounded, and you can be adjusting opacity, and also this works with black color fonts. Very nice. If you can choose the corners as white, you can use it for a white device. But that's it for the videos guys. AMOLED displays work more better. Subscribe.